Welcome Aries to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check your weekly reading from the 28th of November, 28th of November to the 4th of December. Let's dive into your reading for relationships and career. So first let's pick for relationships. Let's see what the advice cards have to say for your relationship from the 28th of November to the 4th of December. Let go of the need to control. So sometimes things are beyond our control. Let things unfold naturally the way it's supposed to. Now let's pick three cards in the present, three cards in the future, three cards in the past, and let's pick a challenge and clarify each of those cards. So in the past, you have the Six of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the World. In the present, you have the High Priestess, Hope, and the Sun. And in the future, you have the Nine of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Your main challenge is the Two of Pentacles. So it seems like Aries, you are balancing a lot of things. You may also have undergone a period of ill health. You're kind of balancing too many things on your plate. With the person on your mind, there was an equal give and take, and there was sharing and caring, but a cycle in your relationship seems to have come to an end. And you have another perspective on the relationship. You are viewing the relationship from a different lens now, and there is a kind of, maybe someone said something immature, something childish, something innocently spoken which they didn't mean, that could have hurt you. The Eight of Cups in the future shows that going forward there might be a certain distancing from this person, kind of recalibrating the situation. Now let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. That's your main challenge. Let's see what we have. We have the Three of Swords, okay. The Two of Cups and the Two of Swords. So for many of you, there could be some kind of parting, some kind of distance in the relationship, despite there being a lot of love. There might be a lot of grief. Who's hurt you, Aries? Okay, there might be a period of grief. There might be a period of, distance, parting. Lots of things have gone unsaid, things you wish to say that you didn't say. The Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Four of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Magician. So if you want to, break the silence, and you want to break the pattern, the difficult pattern that has developed in your relationship, the Magician shows that this is a good time to take that step. The Two of Wands is clarified by the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. So many of you are on your guard, probably focusing on career and relationships, not quite opening up to this person on your mind. The World is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, Justice, and Hierophant. Yes, a lot of you want to work things out with this person, going forward in the future. You see this person in your life. The High Priestess is clarified by the Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. There might be communication with this person in the present. There might be communication with this person in the present, you this week from the 20th of November to the 4th of December, expect to like have a conversation. The sun is clarified by the Queen of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. So this justifies it. There will be some kind of communication. You know, someone may have said something offhand, immature, that hurt you, you know, but expect some kind of communication. The Nine of Cups is clarified by the Five of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and Judgment. So, despite the conflict, and there is a conflict, you know, this person wants you in their life, you know. So, despite the conflict, and they're quite stressed out about the situation. The Eight of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the King of Cups. So there is a future to this relationship if you want, if you so wish, if you so want to make things work out, there is a future. You know, even amidst all this resentment and hurtful feelings, you know, there is hope for both of you. And the Four of Swords is clarified by the Four of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and Death. For many of you, this could be like a clear walking away, or end of the cycle, you know, clear walking away from the situation and kind of counting your losses. You know, for many of you, it could be like that. Let's see what's in the shadow. The Page of Swords. The Page of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Four of Wands. So what a lot of you don't see is that despite the trough in your relationship right now, there is hope in the future because this person sees you very seriously. So that's what I have for your relationship, Aries. Let's pick cards for your career now. We'll be picking 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future. If you like this reading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future for your career. You've got Judgment in the past, the Four of Swords, the Page of Wands, Justice in the present, Queen of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, okay. The Knight of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. What can I say, Aries? You were determined to see a certain kind of outcome in your career, and this week from the 28th of November to the 4th of December, it seems like you will be reaping the fruits of your labor. You know, you had some determination, certain goals, and you will be meeting them this week. You know, for those of you looking for a new job, now is a good time to find a new job. You know, you will be shining at interviews, you will be communicating well with your colleagues, you've been manifesting this outcome. So things are going to go really well for you in your career. So let's see what the Gita cards have to say. Let's see what the wisdom from the Gitas is for you for this week. Liberation. So the thing is that this card is asking you to not be selfish in your intent, to kind of look at the greater good, the greater whole, and do your duties looking at the greater good, you know, how you can benefit the world at large with your work and your labor and with all that you think, say, and do. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Thank you so much. See you next week.